I've not seen any college do that in my experience. This interview looks more like a government recruitment drive. Yup. पीएम मोदी जी के राइट हैंड, ये तो मुझे नहीं पता है क्योंकि मैं तो न्यूज़ इंस्टाग्राम से लेती हूँ. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sneha, and in today's video I'm going to take you through my Wellinkar and KJ Somaiya experience. Now these are the only two colleges that I applied, which is in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and my experience in both these were quite interesting. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. I have written down a couple of notes here, so don't mind if I keep looking here for a little bit to come back to you. But Wellinkar's interview was extremely interesting. So सबसे पहले the session was in the morning, so I had to take a train and kind of figure out my commute from here to Matunga. And it is not in the western line of Matunga, it's on the central line, basically the other line. So you have to change from Dadar. And I reached over there, it's really walking distance from the central Matunga station. And then as soon as you enter, right, they immediately take you for document verification. I would suggest that when they ask you to come at a certain point at a certain time, please make sure that you come then and do not delay, because the more you delay, the more delayed your further processes will be, because this interview looks more like a government recruitment drive. Yup, it looks like a government drive because everyone, no matter if you have already given an exam or if you're going to be appearing for an exam, everyone who's applied, I think, comes on this day and gives the interviews and everything. So I went over there on the basis of my ZAT because I got an 82 percentile. And as soon as I walked in, the first thing they do is, the first rule of business is to get your documents verified. So they take you to the auditorium, you sit down, you just look at the projector. They have projected all the details, all the documents that you need. If you have any doubts, you have student volunteers, professors who will help you out. And then you just segregate your papers and you make a pile and you get it verified. Once they verify that, and then you go outside, they do a final verification check and they give you a ID card of sorts जिसमें तुम्हारा seat number लिखा है and some group is there, so that's easy for them to identify you later on. Then उसके बाद they take you up, and again, like I mentioned, if you come early, you get to do all of these processes first. It's first come, first serve. If you delay, be prepared to just stay there for a really long period of time, okay? So yeah, after that they take you upstairs and they have this kind of like a room where it's air conditioned. Everyone's just seated around in a C shape, and they do an orientation like any other college would. I think no matter whether you are doing your interviews online or offline, everyone has an orientation, you know, to make sure that you know about the college and activities that they're doing and, you know, the history and their vision, etc. So that's exactly the thing that happened with us. And then the director of you know, the college comes about and he just brings such a wave of energy, it's crazy. So he opened the floor to questions and I asked him 2 questions, and I think that really left some sort of an impression because I met a couple of other people who were in the room and, you know, they just said hello to me because I don't know, maybe the vibes just clicked, but yeah, that happened. And then after that we were taken as a group to a different space, a room, a classroom, where we will have our group discussion. So everyone was really nervous, and, you know, they asked us to wait outside. They asked us to clip those tags, you know, instead of keeping them in our hand. And there was this one document that they were like, you know, you need this for the entire process. If you lose this, we will consider that, you know, you don't have a valid document for admission. This will not be considered. So you have to make sure that you take care of your belongings, and especially that one paper, extremely well. Then after that we had our group discussion. It was a nice, I think, 10-minute discussion, and the topic was on diversity. I can't recollect the exact topic because I've spoken about this earlier, but I did not make this video, you know, quickly after my interview. So a lot of information is in fragments, but I can give you the essence of what the topic was. So difficult it is for companies, you know, what's the kind of challenge that they face in order to implement diversity. After that came the personal interview round. So again, we were taken to another room, and before we entered that room, they gave us snacks, which was so sweet of them. You know, I've not seen any college college do that in my experience so far. So they gave you like this nice bag that had like a nice chip, something to drink, a vada pav of sorts, just something to snack on, which was extremely sweet. So our entire team was together throughout. The panelists were coming in, okay? So I think we were the first ones only to kind of get into the whole zone, which is again perks of coming on time. So I was waiting, and then two panelists go in. There's this one really like a brilliant, graceful lady that I saw, and she reminded me of my vice principal at college, my undergraduate college, very poised and had this beautiful fragrance. I don't know what she was wearing. The scent was fab. I still remember it. It was so nice. It made an impression. And there was a male panelist as well in the room. And हमको फिर divide कर दिया. There were like 4-5 rooms, and then we were just divided in like pairs. And मेरे साथ एक बंदी थी. So I was the first one to give the interview, and I walk in, we sit, and I think Wellinger interview was one of the most intimidating ones, where they just constantly kept trying to break me somewhere, but I kept coming back up. So it so happened that obviously they asked for an introduction, then they wanted to know about Carnival, the things that I've contributed to at Nykaa during my corporate days, and then they just randomly asked, so like, how is your morning routine like? And then when I explained to them that, okay, these are the things that I do, so she was like, right now your morning routine seems very laxed. Because later on when college starts, you have to come to college at like 7 20ish, and 7 this thing college start, and by 7:30 college starts, so you have to make sure that you are there, or else you will be debarred. You would not be allowed to enter. Do you think you can commit? And especially that you're coming all the way from there, from my location, it takes good 1.5 hours to reach college. So will you be able to do that every single day? And I was like, yeah, ma'am. And then I gave her my reasons. Then after that, she was like, okay, do you read any current affairs? And I said that, little bit here and there, yes. And it's just very recently I started to develop interest. And then she's like, you tell me, what are the top 3 global trends? And this actually happened because of my routine. When they asked me about my routine, I didn't mention how I'm taking out some time to read about what's happening around the world right now. So from there it started, and I gave her कि कुंभ में वो आग लगी थी, ट्रम्प का एक सीन बताया था, and one more thing I said at the time, and then she was like, okay, so कुंभ के कौन से सेक्टर में आग लगी थी? And I'm like, ये तो मुझे नहीं पता है, क्योंकि मैं तो न्यूज़ इंस्टाग्राम से लेती हूँ. आई डो नॉट रीड इन डेप्थ, एंड आई एम लाइक, यार ये तो थोड़ा क्रेजी हो गया, मतलब आई तो डोंट नो. एंड देन आई वाज लाइक, मैम आई डोंट नो. देन उसके बाद शी वाज लाइक, ओके चल टेल मी हु द होम मिनिस्टर इज़. So then I said who the home minister is, and then she's like, are you sure? And I'm like, yes ma'am, I'm sure. Although कहीं ना कहीं I was like कि पक्का वही है ना. And then उसके बाद I was like, हाँ PM मोदी जी के right hand. And ऐसे मैंने बोला, and I'm like, shit यार स्नेहा, why do you get so frank in your interviews? I keep forgetting that these interviews. Then उसके बाद और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें पूछी pertaining to my routine, and then she also got to know that I have PCOS. मेरा Instagram और उन्होंने ये सब भी देखा था. So she was like कि do you think you will be able to cope up with everything, because we don't want your health to get worsened, are you sure you want to do an MBA? And I'm just like thinking to myself ki, would you ask the same question to someone who's differently abled, or has some sort of a medical issue? Would you question their ability to perform? तो मेरा मन उधर कहीं ना कहीं सहम गया, बट आई वाज लाइक, मे बी वो इसलिए पूछ रहे थे बिकॉज दे जस्ट वांट टू नो आउट ऑफ क्यूरियोसिटी, और मे बी दे जस्ट वांट टू चेक माई रेजिलियंस. बट वट एवर इट इज़, आई जस्ट थॉट दैट ओवर देयर a line was crossed, in my opinion. Again, this is just my view, but just because I have PCOS, तो आप ऐसे नहीं कर सकते, थोड़ा एक sensitivity रहनी चाहिए, एक empathy रहनी चाहिए towards someone. And इतना सब कुछ लाइफ में किया है, बिजनेस किया है, नायका में काम किया है, सब कुछ किया है, इतना भागा दौड़ी किया है, तो मतलब कॉलेज क्या चीज़ है यार, मतलब उसके लिए तो मैं पे कर रही हूँ, उसमें तो मुझे इंटरेस्ट है, मैं ऐसे ही नहीं आ रही हूँ, तो मतलब थोड़ा सा. सो आई जस्ट थॉट कि वो थोड़ा सा कहीं ना कहीं लाइन क्रॉस हो गया था. एंड नो मैटर, आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट स्टोरी टू टेल यू नाउ दैट आई एक्सपीरियंस्ड इट. बट या ऐसा भी हुआ था मेरे साथ. तो just be prepared, don't take anything to heart. फालतू में you'll just stress yourself out. So this is how my Wellinger interview was. And so in this interview मुझे थोड़ा सा current affairs, थोड़ा सा मेरी personality के बारे में मुझे जानने की कोशिश करी गई थी. And मैंने जो काम किया, because college तो किए हुए मुझे कितने साल हो गए, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, यस 7 years हो गए हैं. सो मेरा जो था मेनली टॉपिक ऑफ डिस्कशन वॉज ऑन वर्क. Now coming to KJ Somaiya. This was my interview experience, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, then definitely give it a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys super soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.